Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you my live trading. And today morning I had already taken this short position and I have booked my profit because it's already hit my target. The reason I take this short position because yesterday most of the retail or majority of the retail they are going long into the market because they were expecting good news from finance minister. But after the announcement, uh, it's not really good news for the market, except some of the sectors like tourism sectors and healthcare sectors. So that's why the market is falling today. The market yesterday did not move anywhere because huge call option was writing. And not only that, you know that retail most of the time after seeing this first green candle they will go long into the market. Like I told you guys, market cannot go up every day, nor cannot fall down every day. Market has to go up, has to fall down, has to go up, fall down, and so on like that. But retail, they think that market will go up today because yesterday the market keep on taking support on this area. So they thought that the market will go up, so obviously they will go long to the morning also. But what happened? The markets fall down. That's why I take that short position. So now since the market already hit my supporting area, I was planning to go long. But I won't jump immediately. I will wait for the right entry. I will enter into trade. Now I had taken my call option. So now we will wait and see. The reason I take this call option is because market hit my supporting area, and one more thing is because of Reliance. Since Reliance has already falling for so many days, and today I was expecting some recovery and it will take market up. And I'm already running in a small losses and it's almost hit my stop loss. But the market is still in my direction only and it's still in my area only. Due to heavy call option writing, that's why the premium of call option it's keep on declining compared with the premium of put option. These people who are going long yesterday, they have faced huge losses, and after seeing this red candle, continuously red candle, 4-5 red candles, they will short the market. So these people over here who short the market, they are only retail, but I know that the market will go up because these retail who are shorting the market over here and who shorting the market today morning, they have faced huge losses. So after facing huge losses, what will they do? Their emotion will take place and they will short the market from here only. So the people who are shorting the market here are only retail people, and what will be happen? They will keep their stop loss around this area and the market will hit their stop loss only. So now I'm waiting. Let the market hit their stop loss first. Now the market is about to hit my stop loss. So I have to be ready and exit from this position. I won't keep on holding this position if it hits my stop loss. I have to exit as soon as possible. Hope doesn't work in stock market. So never hope in stock market, guys, okay? Nor in any market. If you are trading intraday or positional, or if you are trading whatever in any market, hoop doesn't work. So don't hoop, just exit, just kill. That's it. In stock market, you cannot be right, nor you cannot make profit each and every trade. Loss is always there, but you should know how to minimize it. Guys, see, I have told you that the market will go up from this area. It will touch 15,800. And yes, it's happened. But what happened to my call position? See, I exit in a losses of 732 rupees. The reason I exit this call option is because the market hit my stop loss. As you can see, my stop loss is 15,750 and it hit my stop loss and go up. So I have to exit. I cannot do anything. And I don't want to hope also in the market. But after that, what happened? Market fall again in this area. And retail from this area, they will keep on going long. They will expect the market to go up again. Because in the morning, the market goes from this area. So market won't go up. I know. Market will fall from this area. So now I have taken this short position, this put position, this 35,100. So now let's wait until the market hit my target. As you can see now, I'm already running in a profit of 1:2. So I'm going to exit once it's hit my target 1:3. At least I target. I raised 500 rupees for a profit of 1500 rupees. So now I'm ready to exit my position because I know that market will hit soon my target. Done. Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how much profit I made and what exactly happened to the market today. As I was expected that the market will fall from this area, and then it happened and it hit my target. See, I take 3 trade today, 2 put option and 1 call option. And this call option, it hit my stop loss, and this put option, it hit my target. And guys, remember this, you don't have to trade every day. Please take trade only when there is an opportunity. Don't try to catch or jump each and every trade, or else you will end up in a huge losses. And it's better to be in neutral rather than in a negative side. And that's it for today. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel.